हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जस्ट टू द पॉइंट। मैं हूं समीर वर्मा और हमारा फोकस है आपसे फाइनेंस और सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग की फील्ड का प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर शेयर करना डेट में हेल्प यू इन योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द वैल्यूएशन ऑफ आर्बिट्रेशन अवार्ड। इन जनरल डिस्प्यूट, जिनको हम विवाद भी कहते हैं, तीन तरीके के होते हैं: इकोनॉमिक, सोशल और पॉलिटिकल। I am focusing towards award in connection to the economic disputes, जिनको हम आर्थिक फैसला भी कह सकते हैं। When we talk about the valuation of these awards, which is majorly because of other party non-performance, has huge impact on valuation, as this is one of the off-balance sheet item, which is often anticipated and actual announcement may be different. The nature of the obligation and the period within which such award must be performed can shake the whole valuation. हमें हर एक केस के सिनेरियो को अंडरस्टैंड करना जरूरी है। जैसे कि आर्बिट्रेशन प्रोसीडिंग शुरू होने से पहले क्या सब्जेक्ट कंपनी की पोजीशन है, आर्बिट्रेशन प्रोसीडिंग के इन बिटवीन क्या पोजीशन है, जब आर्बिट्रेशन अवार्ड दिया जाता है लेकिन उसको इम्पोज होने से पहले क्या पोजीशन है सब्जेक्ट कंपनी की। In general, graded probability-based discounted cash flow valuation approach is followed to value these kind of arbitration award. After evaluating the factors like risk, timing, and amount of the awards expected to receive. As on the date of valuation, it is quite difficult to estimate whether an amount of the claim made by the company or against to the company is fair or not, as the companies involved invest heavily in terms of the time, expenses to settle the cases, and sometimes objections have been raised even against cost awarded by the tribunal. Therefore, the stages of enforcement of the award is high degree of the caution. आर्बिट्रेशन अवार्ड के इम्पोज होने से ठीक पहले एग्रीड पार्टी हैज एन राइट टू अप्रोच द हायर लेवल अथॉरिटी, राइट? दैट मे बी हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट इवन समटाइम्स. The time at which the arbitral award has been acknowledged in favor of the company has no further challenge is possible after the prescribed time period has positive impact in the valuation of the subject company as against to the award which has scope for challenge thereafter, that is the award which is been into the limitation period. What require a valuer to consider the specific terms of an award, specifically like interest calculation at the simple rate or compound rate, start date or expected stop date, which are based upon the expected or estimated time frame of the receipt of an amount. That can be done after having discussion with the legal counsel of the company to understand its legal state. And this is been the most important to do. The payment terms can be identified after reading the copy of an award. Now, there is been one factor which required to perform like an historical winning percentage. The chances of the company can be computed to be more specific. The company which is with the limited experience of winning the similar types of arbitration cases may have the low probability chances. There may be a case the contractual obligation in the pre-reward phase is been there, so that generally been ignored in the entire valuation process. So valuer need to be cautious before concluding the fair value in this particular case. So for much such kind of interesting videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Thank you so much.